Alright, so here is the update for Android 10 on the Tab A 10.1 2019. So here it is. There's also an update for One UI 2, and yeah. So let's see if first of all, here we have the Geekbench score. So this is the Geekbench score on Android 9, and it's not really good. So I hope it gets better after the update, because after 2 months of usage I've noticed there's a lot of stutters when switching apps or just scrolling or multitasking, you know, so yeah. And also the animations are kind of choppy at times. So I hope this update will improve that, but we'll see. And let's install it now. Okay, so now the update is done. Let's see. Let's do a Geekbench test to see if it improved. So run CPU benchmark. So I think the score actually went down from before. If we go into history, so yeah, September 14, single core score 213, multi-core 524, and the one we did just before 236 and 579. So yeah, the score went down on both cores. So yeah, I'll try the tablet for a few minutes and then I'll see if it's any good. So yeah, actually scrolling to the tablet feels a little bit smoother than before. So it's, I think it's a bit improved. But even though the score is lower than before. So if we go into About Tablet, we should see that it's running Android 10 now. So yeah, software information, One UI 2.0. 2.1 actually. Android 10 kernel version, so yeah, that's the same I think. And let's see if anything changed in the settings. So I see here a new user manual was added, which is basically just sends you into Samsung Internet and opens the user manual for the tablet. So SM-T510. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.